Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix your game requires a system restart to play. Please restart your computer. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two steps. The first step, you just need to go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Go to startup apps. In here you need to find the Riot client services. Right click on it and select enable it. And you just need to scroll down and search for vgtray.exe. Right click on it and select enable it. This is Riot Vanguard service guys. After enabling both, you just need to close it off here. The second step, go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration. Click on the services tab and check mark hide all Microsoft services and search for VGC service and check mark it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, open up the Riot client. Select the League of Legends and select the play option and you can able to play the game guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.